Adding Wise as a payment method to your Shopify store is a straightforward process that can help you expand your customer base and increase sales. To get started, you need to have a Wise account and a Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. From the Settings menu, select Payments to view the available payment options. Click on the Add Payment Method button to start the process of adding Wise as a payment method. Next, search for Wise in the search bar and select the Wise payment gateway from the list of available payment providers. You will be redirected to the Wise website to authenticate your account and authorize Shopify to connect to your Wise account. On the Wise website, enter your email address and password to log into your Wise account. You will be asked to authorize Shopify to access your Wise account. So click on the Authorize button to proceed. After authorizing Shopify to access your Wise account, you will be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel. You will see the Wise payment method listed as a new payment option. Click on the Edit button next to Wise to configure the payment method settings. In the Wise payment method settings, you can customize the payment method name, description, and other options. Make sure to select the correct currency and set the payment method as active to enable it for your customers. Once you have configured the Wise payment method settings, click on the Save button to save the changes. Wise is now added as a payment method to your Shopify store, and your customers can start using it to make payments. It is essential to test the Wise payment method to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by creating a test order and selecting Wise as the payment method. If the payment is processed successfully, you can be confident that Wise is working correctly as a payment method in your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can easily add Wise as a payment method to your Shopify store and provide your customers with a convenient and secure way to make payments. This can help increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, ultimately driving more sales and revenue for your business.